Hello student, Hemant sir is here. So today we are going to start the practice set 7.3. We will solve the first 4 problem today. Okay. So let's start the practice set first question. So we are going to solve the first question. It says for the class interval 20 and 25. So what is class interval? It is 20 to 25. Okay, it is 20 to 25. Write the lower class limit and upper class limit. Okay, so this is the lower limit and it is the upper limit. That means 20 is the lower class limit and 25 is the upper class limit. So we have to write 20 is the lower class limit. Here we have to write 20 is the lower class limit and 25 is upper class limit. Okay, so the answer is done. Now we will solve the second problem. Second problem says find the class mark of the class 35 and 40. Okay, so we have formula for class mark. So we have, it is a second one. What is class mark? Class mark equals to lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Okay, so what is lower limit for 35 to 40 is 35. Therefore 35 plus 40. So 35 plus 40 divided by 2. So 5 and 0 is 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. So it is 75 divided by 2. If we will solve, we will get 2 3s are 6. 1 will remain here, will become 15. So 2 7s are 14. Then point 1 is remain here, so 1 will become 10. So 2 5s are 10. So the class mark will be 37.5. Okay, so we have answer. So we have to write the result. So the class mark of the class 35 and 40 is 37.5. Okay, so it is our answer. Now we are going to solve the third problem. It says if class mark is 10, see class mark is given, so we have to write class mark. What is formula? Class mark equals to lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Okay, so here we do not have any number which is upper limit or lower limit. We have the class mark and the width is 6. Okay, so we have to consider the number. So let see, we have to write given part first. What is given? Class mark. Class mark is 10, so we have to write 10, and width is, class width is 6. Okay, therefore we have to consider the number. Let the upper or lower limit be x. Therefore upper limit will be 6 plus x. It will be 6 plus x. So now we are going to use the formula class mark. Okay, so here we are going to solve further question. Okay, so the class mark is, so by the formula what is class mark? Class mark is 10, so here we have to write 10 equals to lower limit we have considered x, so we have to write x, plus upper limit is 6 plus x, so here we have to write 6 plus x divided by 2. Okay, so we have to transfer this to another side, will go in multiple form, so 10 into 20 will become 10 into 2 will become 20, so 20 equals to x plus x is 2x and it will be plus 6. Okay, now we will transfer this 6 to another side, we will get 2x equals to 20 minus 6, so 20 minus 6 is 14, so 2x equals to we have 14, so x equals to 14 divided by 2, so x equals to 7. Okay, so the lower limit number will be 7. Now what is upper limit number? It is x plus 6. So now upper limit number is x plus 6, therefore x is 7, so 7 plus 6 which is equals to 13. Okay, so the class will be 7 to 13, therefore the class is 7 to 13 and it is our answer. Okay, so in this way you have to solve the third problem. Okay, so if you want to write, you can write or take a screenshot. Better if you can write, you will understand precisely. So students, now we are going to solve the fourth problem. The fourth problem says complete the following table. So here table is given. Okay, so here classes is given 12 to 13, 13 to 14, 14 to 15 and 15 to 16. So in 12 to 13 it is nothing but the age of students. Okay, so telemark is for 1, 2, 3, 4 and this line when cut all the 4 lines will be for the 5th. Okay, so total is 5. So here we have to write 5. Here between 13 to 14, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, so here we have to write 14. See, the number from between 14 to 15 is not given. Okay, so we will write it further later on. Okay, in 15 to 16 we have 4, so here we have to write 4. Now total we had to add all the 3 numbers, so 14 plus 4 is 18, 18 plus 5 is 23, but total sum we have 35, that means we have to subtract 23 from 35, so 35 minus 23, so the answer will be 5 minus 3 is 2 and 3 minus 2 is 1, that means here the 12 will come definitely. Okay, so for 12 we have to write telemark here, so here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number total is 12, so 1 and 2. Okay, so now our table is get completed. So in fill in the blank, here you have to write 5, 14, 12, here 4 and here telemark 5, 5 and 2, that is 12. Okay, so in this way you had to complete your fill in the blank part of your chapter. Okay, so here we have completed the fourth question also. So students, these questions are really very simple, that you have to practice once at your home so that you will be get perfection in all this question. Okay, so I want you to please do repeat this video once so that you will understand the question precisely and make your own notebook at home. So students, आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय फॉर नाउ.